You will fail this question if you don't know the trick to solve simultaneous equation by elimination. Let me guide you through. First thing you have to do when you have 3x plus 2 is equals to 7 and 5x minus 3y is equals to 37. Your aim is to find the value of x and y that will satisfy both equations. So first thing you have to do is to label the first equation, equation 1, and label the second equation, equation 2. And to solve by elimination, our goal is that we are going to try to express the coefficient of either x or either y to be the same so that we either add or subtract. Here, the coefficient of x in the first equation is 3, and the coefficient of x in the second equation is 5. They are different. And the coefficient of y in the first equation is 2, and the coefficient of y in the second equation is minus 3. So you decide within you which one am I eliminating. I will decide to eliminate y. And to eliminate y, we need the coefficients to be matching. So for it to be matching, I will just multiply equation 1 by 3 so that I can get 6, and multiply equation 2 by 2 so that I can get 6 also. So if you do that, you notice that we say that equation 1 times 3 and equation 2 times 2. If you do that, you will see that we have 3 times 3 is 9. You have 9x. 3 times 2y is plus 6y is equal to 3 times 7 is 21. I can now see that 2 times 5 is 10. I have it as 10x. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6y. 2 times 37 is equals to 74. Okay, so at this point, you can now see that the coefficients of y are now the same but differ in sign. Okay, so I can now add the two equations, because if I add the two equations, I have eliminated what? I have eliminated y. So you see that 9x plus 10x is equals to 19x, and 6y plus minus 6y is 6y minus y, which is 0. Y is eliminated. And 21 plus 74 is basically 95. You have it as 95. To get the value of x, you just have to divide through by 19 and divide through by 19. Once you divide through by 19, what do you observe? You observe that x is equal to 5. If this video is engaging, please share to your friends, like and comment your thought about the method. So to get the value of y, we'll put x to be equals to 5 in any of the equation. So let's try doing that in equation 1. Equation 1 says that 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. So if you put the value of x to now be 5, you can now see that 3 into 5, okay, then plus 2y is equal to 7. And this will give us that 3 times 5 is what? 15, right? You have it as 15 plus 2y is equal to 7. To get the value of y, we'll now subtract 15 from both sides. Subtract 15 from both sides. If you subtract 15 from both sides, what do you observe? You observe that 2y is now equal to minus 8, because 7 minus 15 is minus 8. To get y, you divide through by 2 and divide through by 2. Once you divide through by 2, you see that y is equals to negative 4. So in general, you can now see that x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 4. These are the two possible solutions of x and y that can satisfy the given two equations. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video so that you get notified anytime I make a new post. Bye-bye.